Sa larangan ng boxing ay di masyadong napag-uusapan ang mga babaeng boksingero, lalo na dito sa Pinas, dahil nga lalaking boksidor lang ang mga kilala at nag-champion madalas. Pero noong August 31, 2023 ay may isang Pinay challenger na dumayo sa bansang Thailand para tangkang kunin ang WBC Asia Female Super Flyweight title na hawak-hawak ng undefeated champion ng Hong Kong na si Shou Royang. Ang Pinay na susubok na kunin ang titulo ay ang tubong Iligan Lanao del Norte na si Ana Rose Aktob Gadapan alias Bone Crusher. Bansag pa lang ay nakakatakot na, tagadurog ng buto itong Pinay boxer. Ilang beses nang napadayo at lumaban sa labas ng Pinas itong si Kim Aktob, Korea, Macau, Japan at ngayon naman ay sa bansang Thailand. May record itong 8 wins, 11 losses, 5 dito via knockout at 30 anyos. Habang 4 wins, 0 loss, 3 via knockout naman itong defending champion na si Royang at 28 anyos. Dihado ang Pinoy sa mata ng karamihan, undefeated kasi at champion ang kalaban. Malakas at mabilis din daw ang galaw nito pero di nagpatinag ang ating pambato na tubong Iligan Lanao del Norte. Sinabayan ang lakas ng kalaban hanggang sukdulan. Nagpakita pa itong si Aktob ng nakakabilib na galaw na parang Matrix, sabay tinawanan lang ang kalaban. Ating balikan ang nakakabilib na tapang na pinamalas ng Pinay kontra sa undefeated at defending champion na pambato ng Hong Kong.
Round number 1 underway.
Unang round ay palitan agad ng mga kombinasyon. Makamay itong kalaban habang ilang beses naman nakakatama ang overright nitong Pinay. Pero tila di iniinda ng kalaban ang lakas ni Kabayan.
Keeping a very high guard, stalking her opponent, trying to find some openings. Hasn't thrown very much yet. Kim Aktob fires a nice right hand to the body, and Shou Royang looks very calm. Just walking forward with a nice jab, looking for the counter punches, and there it is again. Shou Royang finds a left hook counter punch. King Aktob giving everything she's got in all of these punches and exchanges, but Shou Royang is still very nice round by both fighters so far. A nice combination landed. Shou Royang representing Hong Kong, taking on King Aktob representing the Philippines. And Shou Royang firing some very powerful flurries, but just tapping the guard of King Aktob. Kim Aktob doing a very good job of just blocking these shots. And every time Shou Royang throws, she throws with all her might, all her power. Jab landed by Kim Aktob. Kim Aktob looking a little bit more tired now, still throwing those big looping right hands. And Shou Royang constantly keeping the pressure on, staying in the comfort space of Kim Aktob. However, Shou Royang hasn't really found. And a nice flurry again to end the round. Kim Aktob starting off with a nice double jab. Shou Royang constantly staying in the pocket against Kim Aktob. And a nice right hand over the top. Shou Royang representing Hong Kong, Kim Aktob representing the Philippines. Shou Royang again just throwing flurries, staying very, very busy inside. Shou Royang just doing a very good job to smother, trying to pretend that these shots are not hurting. 10 seconds to go. A big overhand right. The fight is touch up. Round number 4 underway. Shou Royang in the red corner in the black shorts representing Hong Kong. Kim Aktob from the Philippines representing the Philippine shorts as well. Swing and a miss by Kim Aktob. It's a nice combination landed by Shou Royang. Constantly breaking down the guard of Kim Aktob. Kim Aktub is still in there. Kim Aktub isn't very busy, but Kim Aktub has got a lot of danger in those punches. Very, very powerful shots. Kim Aktub throws a big right hand to the body, but sheer. You smother the gun. Round number 5 underway, and Shia Ruyang starts off very, very strong, taking center ring, but Kim Aktub with a triple jab, keeping the guard high of Shia Ruyang. And we've got some live scoring coming here. It's very good on judges' scorecard, but Shia Ruyang has been non-stop with her onslaught. However, she hasn't landed many clean punches, which is what the judges are probably seeing. So although Shia Ruyang is very active and busy, she needs to find openings like this right here. She needs to keep going. Kim Aktub comes back with fire of her own, but Shia Ruyang keeping her opponent against the corner. Both fighters in the corner fighting inside the pocket. A big left hand, right hand. Round number 6 on the way. Kim Aktub starting nice with a nice jab, just constantly firing that jab out. Shia Ruyang closing the distance, keeping the pressure. And a nice right hand onto the chin of Kim Aktub. And Shia Ruyang has finally found that opening. Kim Aktub attempted to shoulder roll, but unsuccessful. But Kim Aktub fires another combination of her own. Not long to go of this round number 6. A nice stiff jab, double jab by Shia Ruyang. 10 seconds to go. And this is where Shia Ruyang usually comes alive. And here it is again. Trying to push Kim Aktub off, but Kim Aktub is so strong. It's speed against power. Round number 7 already underway. Shia Ruyang in the black shorts representing Hong Kong, taking on Kim Aktub from the Philippines with a nice combination with a jab and a right hand over the top, hitting the chin of Kim Aktub.
Dito sa mga huling bahagi ng laban ay makikitang nakababa na ang depensa ni Aktub na uubusan na din ng kargada sa bodega. Kaya naman, bagamat nakikipagpalitan pa ng mga suntok itong Pinay, ay mas madaming suntok na siyang natanggap mula sa defending champion.
And just Kim Aktub swaying back. Again, a nice, beautiful combination with a left hook and a right hand downstairs. 10 seconds to go. Shia Ruyang, is she going to come alive again? And it looks like she is. Big swing and a miss. But it looks like Shia Ruyang is actually trying to stop her opponent because she's now throwing some very, very powerful shots. And a big overhand right landed by Kim Aktub, but Shia Ruyang eats it and walks towards her and fires a combination of her own. The first time I've seen Shia Ruyang actually take a back foot and think for a second. But constantly throwing flurries is Kim Aktub out of ideas. All she's got now is that big overhand right, but it looks like Shia Ruyang is smart to it and knows when it's coming because it isn't landing clean anymore like it did in the early rounds. Shia Ruyang, a beautiful miss, and Shia Ruyang comes back with a counter punch of her own. But Shia Ruyang just doing a good job.
Umabot sa sukdulang 10 rounds ang dalawa at nabigo ang ating pambato. Natalo ito via unanimous decision.
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Dober, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy, 0.2. Like and share, subscribe. Bang!